In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scribble on Google Slides and make it look pretty. Whether you're wanting to add a bit of artistic flair to your presentation or simply personalize it, these simple steps will guide you through the process so your scribbles turn out just right. Let's dive in. First, as always, we need to start by heading over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and in the address bar type in Google Slides. It should be the first link you see in the search results. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed in, as everything we'll do will require access to Google Slides through your account. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Familiarize yourself with this layout if you're not already, as it's the central hub for creating and managing your presentations. From here, find and click the option to start a new presentation. You'll see a huge plus sign labeled blank presentation. This is what we want, so go ahead and click on it to open up a new empty slide deck. Now that your blank presentation is open, we can get creative. Start by finding the insert option at the top of your screen on the menu bar. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu filled with things you can add to your slide. Look down this list until you find an option called Line. Hovering over Line will cause another small menu to appear. Here, you'll want to select the option Scribble. You've unlocked the Scribble tool. Now, when you move your cursor over your blank slide, you'll notice it's changed to a crosshair, indicating that you're in Scribble mode. Click and hold the mouse button to start drawing. Don't worry if your scribble isn't perfect the first time. Google Slides makes it easy to undo or adjust as needed. To ensure your scribbles look as pretty as possible, consider the slide's overall design. Harmonizing colors and shapes can make a big difference. Use the toolbar to alter aspects of your scribble, such as its color, transparency, and thickness. This is the perfect way to match your scribbles with the theme of your presentation. By following these steps, you can creatively enhance your slides with personalized scribbles that stand out and complement your content. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. With practice, you'll be adding beautiful, eye-catching designs in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting creative with your presentations on Google Slides.